Drippin' Sailor on, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like the ace of spades. Rebel kinda curious, but nervous when it comes to fate. Aimed at my heart, you try to break it, but it ricochets.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to the finals week vlog. So I'm sure most of you all know, or if you're new here, I'm a first year BCom honors student currently studying at SRCC Delhi University. And first semester has already come to an end. Exam season has started. In fact, my first exam is today. It literally feels like yesterday I went to college. It was the first day I was vlogging. And here we are already with exams coming up. I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. Thankfully, it is OBE, that's an open book exam. And घर पे बैठ के देना है, so the stress is comparatively less, but it's still exams at the end of the day, so yeah, the feeling still remains the same. So today is a Monday, 21st of March, and I have my EVS exam, environmental studies, and I'm thankful that मेरा first semester में EVS है. Other people also have English, because EVS is very difficult to remember, although it is like the basic stuff, but there are certain terms and like specific things that we would probably not be able to remember if the exams were offline, so that's good. Today's exam starts at 2:30, so we have 4 hours ka exams in Delhi University, 3 hours for writing the paper and 1 hour for uploading the answer sheets. Right now it's 12:30, so like 2 hours to go for the exam. So here's my setup, nothing fancy honestly. I'm going to write my answers here. I have like the notes etc in this book. Here's the pen and baki sab to laptop pe hai. Even sir's notes are on my laptop, so I will refer to that. Wish me luck for my exam. Okay, precisely 3 minutes to go to download the question paper. I'm all set. This is so scary, like giving college exams for the first time. Wow, as expected, इनका site already crash हो चुका है. What is this due? I have to wait for someone to send the question paper. Okay, so I got done with the exam and I took a break also. And I ate something because oh my god, I can't tell you how tiring this exam was. I literally wrote like 4,000 words in these pages. It's crazy and it was so tiring. My hand is aching. It's like I can't write absolutely anything anymore. And इतनी मुश्किल से खत्म हुआ है. I just barely managed to complete it in time, and usually इनका portal भी crash हो जाता है. So I made sure that I uploaded at least थोड़ा सा पहले, वरना तो upload भी नहीं होता. But yeah, we're done successfully. First exam of college is done. This is such a different feeling. I just had some fresh juice and now I feel like better. But now the next exam is on 23rd, that is day after tomorrow, and that's financial accounting, जो पता नहीं कैसे होने वाली है. But yeah, we have that exam. Right now I'm going to obviously chill for a bit. I'm very tired. I have थोड़ा सा work to do, society stuff again, so I'm gonna get done with that and बस chill for a bit and probably study a little रात को, because पढ़ाई तो करनी पड़ेगी. Finally, the exciting part of the video, that's the giveaway, and this one's especially beneficial for the class 12 students. I know your board exams are coming up, and even though colleges are now taking entrance exams, don't forget that getting a good percentage in your class 12 board exams still remains important for future reasons. In this video, I'm going to be giving away sample paper books to 5 lucky winners. As you guys know, I have been recommending Oswal Gurukul sample paper book for your preparation. It has all these subjects and gives you the best practice, so definitely participate in the giveaway. The rules are very simple. So firstly, you obviously have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The next thing is comment below anything you want. Why do you like my videos? Why do you want this book? After that, the most important step that you have to follow is to fill the Google form. The link for that is in the description. In the Google form, enter your email ID so that I can contact you in case you're the winner. Enter your name so that I know you've commented on this video. And the next 2 things are also very important. Subscribe to Oswal's Telegram channel. The link is in the description, and upload screenshot in the Google form. Similarly, follow Oswal Publishers Instagram page and upload a screenshot so that I know that you have done these steps. And yeah, that's all you have to do to enter in the giveaway. Now for extra entries and to get brownie points, you can share this video on any of your social media platforms. Share it on WhatsApp groups. You can put it as your Instagram story. Don't forget to tag me. And again, put the screenshot of that in the Google form. Obviously, if you do that, you have a higher chance of winning. The Google form also has the option to choose which stream book do you want, and that will be given to you. All the relevant links are in the description, so don't forget to participate. Share it with your friends as well. All the best for your board exams as well as this giveaway. Hey guys, happy Tuesday, and not so happy for me because I have to study as usual, doing accounts just like yesterday. I'm going to complete the questions. I mean, let's just start studying. So it's been very long. It's almost time to sleep. But yeah, I think I studied quite a bit, at least as much as I could, and I can't anymore. So I'm just gonna go to sleep. I have done my best apni taraf se, and I just hope कि कल का paper easy हो, because last year's financial accounting का OBE was so tough. Like there was nothing from the book. एकदम अलग ही hot questions थे. It's also काफी जल्दी. Like yesterday it was at 2:30, but like tomorrow's exam is at 9:30. So yeah, जल्दी भी उठना है, and I'll see you tomorrow. Time to give the exam. I'm going to quickly write down the basic details first, and precisely 7.5 minutes to go. Wish me luck. I hope the paper is easy. Site crash again. What is this? Oh god, finally done with the exam. I don't even have words. कितनी मुश्किल से बस कर दिया. It was so lengthy. Obviously accounts है, lengthy होता है, even though 55 marks का ही था, but still it was very lengthy. And बाकी I don't know what's wrong with DU and them making इतने difficult papers for OBE. मतलब OBE है तो इतना tough दे देते. I don't know. Anyway, बस somehow managed to get through 4 questions. कुछ तो लिख दिया है. I hope the answers are correct, and अब finally done. Accounts was like सबसे main tension इसी का था, because you need to solve it, right? बाकी में तो you have like the PDFs of the textbooks. So financial accounting is done, and finally main exam हो गया. अब next is मेरा business laws का exam, which is also day after tomorrow. That is on 25th of March. उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा है पढ़ने के लिए. Like there are so many chapters, and now it's like 1:10. पेपर सबमिट कर दिया बिल्कुल ऑन टाइम, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू चिल फॉर अ बिट ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज इतना दिमाग लगा है. Hello there, happy Thursday. Yesterday was very chill. I didn't study because नहीं हो रहा था. I'm a little too laid back about the exams. I don't know why, but anyway, OBE है thankfully, तो इतना chill है. वरना if real like offline exams were going on, it wouldn't be this chill. But yeah, today's plan of action is simply to study. I made sure that I got done like all the work yesterday. I have my business laws का exam. I think I told you all that, and it's like again theory. बहुत लंबा paper होगा, बहुत लिखना पड़ेगा. That's another concern altogether. But the main thing is just to skim through the chapters, because याद सब कुछ तो नहीं कर सकते. That's what I'm going to start doing right now. I have the PDFs of that. But before that, it's time to clear out all the books. Accounts is done for Sem 1, so I don't need this really thick book anymore. I'm going to put this away. Forgot to put on my glasses, and like to be very honest, these glasses are helping me a lot. These are like Blu-ray cut glasses, in case you're wondering. Recently I've been using a lot of screen, like even my mobile phone or this, and it does get very straining. My eyes were like really burning and watering, so this is helping me a lot. Definitely recommend it to you guys. Let's get to studying now. We received this huge pack package from Amazon and it's unboxing time. Can you guess what it is? You precisely have 2-3 seconds. Quickly comment, and here we are. It's an iMac. Yes, the fanciest purchase for sure. It's the latest 2021 edition iMac 24-inch. It's available in 7 very vibrant colors and we chose the green one. It matches perfectly with this room. Although it's not mine, but of course I know y'all also love a little good unboxing. Here are all the products that come with it. The main cable, charger, keyboard, mouse, etc. Even all the cords are color coordinated. How cool. And the screen is the best in the world. You can see everything in the sharp and glorious detail on the immersive 24-inch 4.5K retina display. Just amazing. By the way, it also has the best camera system ever in a Mac. Double the resolution for higher quality video calls. And it's so compact and so thin. Perfect for limited space as well. Hey guys, happy Friday. Actually, it will be a happier Friday after this exam is over. Precisely 1.5 minutes to go for the question paper to come, and let's just get over with this finally. Filling in my basic details, writing the page number, roll number, etc. And my answer sheets have been uploaded successfully. So it's 1:20 precisely and the exam is done finally, and this one was actually काफी अच्छा because of the fact that for once the OBE exam was easy. The questions were quite straightforward, like direct नहीं था, but the answers were directly in the book, so that was a good thing. So काफी अच्छे से हो गया paper, but very lengthy, like very lengthy. Like I was writing till the last minute and अब जाके मैंने finally submit कर दिया and we're done. So yeah, I'm super tired, but good paper, and now I'm gonna obviously chill for a bit, have lunch, etc. But the good thing is that the next exam is going to be on 30th of March. That is 5 days later. Thankfully, it is my general elective ka exam. That is introductory microeconomics for me. And अच्छा है 5 दिन का break मिलेगा. I'm already like so tired इतना लिख के exams में. So this is going to be a good break in between exams. And अच्छा है ज़्यादा दिन भी मिले पढ़ने के लिए. Otherwise you have to do like everything in just one day. आज का day is going to be very chill because आज तो मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी obviously. I'll study in like the next 3-4 days. So the plan of action for today is to edit a video and like get it ready for the weekend. I have to upload it. Apart from that, I don't have a lot of stuff to do, to be very honest, and that's amazing. Love that for me. Okay, so there's this random change in plan for today, and today is going to be very eventful because there's this college called NSUT and वहाँ पे college का fest है. And the exciting thing is that Biswa Kalyan, the comedian, is coming, so obviously it's going to be amazing. And then KK, the singer, as well is going to be there. So we've decided to go to that college fest because why not? And I'm free also today, so हम सब जा रहे हैं. There are college people, everyone has their knowns coming up. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's quickly get ready for that. Okay, so real quick, this is the fit. I'm wearing these earrings, this white top, jeans, and I'll just wear sneakers. I'm actually already late, so चलो जल्दी चलते हैं. Oh my god, do you see the crowd? Literally पूरी दिल्ली उठ के आ गई थी इस फेस्ट के लिए. So we've made it inside the college. Don't even ask how. I lost my freaking shoe because there was a major stampede. People were falling on each other. So this is the main ground where the show was happening, and people were randomly throwing bottles in the air.
Hi, hello. Ananya just got back her shoe.
Yes, I found my shoe and I couldn't be happier.
So happy.
Now we're going to the fest again.
I am going home. I can't do this anymore.
Crazy. Okay, now I'm finally, मतलब इतनी खुशी मेरे को अपना shoe मिल के हुई है. I can't even explain it in words. पहले तो क्या हुआ था, but like it is still, I still wouldn't recommend it. At least come like 5 hours before the fest. तो ठीक है, वरना तो आना ही मत. Don't come. because you will probably die in the stampede. Biswa was supposed to come and Biswa abhi tak nahi aaya hai. So that's something. You're waiting for him. Everything is delayed. 6 baje ka 8 baj chuka hai, kuch nahi ho raha hai. But yeah, that's what fests are like. So basically the thing was that artists were coming very late. So anchor यहाँ पे time pass कर रहा था. Random songs were being played and as you can see the crowd is insane.
I love that.
Okay, so equal. How many from Noida and how many from Delhi? Alright, very nice to meet you. Because जिसको स्विमिंग नहीं आता है, वो पानी से दूर बैठता है. सब समझ आ रहा है. पानी के अंदर वही जाता है जिसको स्विमिंग आता है. जैसे ही तुमको स्विमिंग आ गया ना, तुम्हारा मरने का प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ गया.
Hi guys, made it back home. This is the first ever fest I ever attended and इतने hyped होते हैं सारे fest की, बहुत मजा आता है. And like after going to this, I'm just like not at all. But I hope कि बाकी अपने DU के like SRCC वगैरह के fest अच्छे होंगे. I hope like SRCC का तो बहुत high budget भी होता है. It's like the best fest apparently. And like passes home. But yeah, I think with that it's time to end the vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this pretty productive week in my life. Let me know if you want to see more such videos. And yeah, if you made it till here, comment these emojis. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. And also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.